मैं वीडियो करना भूल गई थी, बट या आई वेंट टू अ टेम्पल, द सेम टेम्पल जो मेरा पहला व्लॉग में है। बट आज मैं जा रही हूँ एक बहुत ही, देयर इज़ अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस इन बैंगलोर, आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग। ओके, वहाँ मैं अभी जा रही हूँ ऑन द वे। मेरा जगह से इट्स 25 किलोमीटर्स दूर है, बट या सो आई विल सी यू देयर and we have reached. So this is the place. दोस्तों, जितना मुझे लग रहा है काफ़ी बड़ा स्पेस है, इसको एक दिन में कवर करना क्वाइट डिफ़िकल्ट, पर इवनिंग तक टिल 5 o'clock आई विल स्टे हियर। और ये मैं पहुंच चुकी हूँ विशालाक्षी मंटप। यस, ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस नो। गाइस, एज आई सेड, ये बहुत बड़ा स्पेस है एंड दिस स्पेस इज जस्ट अ क्वार्टर फ्रैगमेंट ऑफ द होल आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग। मैं बैक कैमरा करके दिखाती हूँ आपको।
So, Art of Living property. First off, we missed out the Vishalakshi Mandap over there. So, the Vishalakshi Mandap is 108 feet tall and it has 108 petals surrounding it into a lotus architectures. Any architects over here? Any architects in the bus? No. Okay, usually a circular architecture like that needs a center pillars to hold it, right? That's basic. But the Vishalakshi Mandap has no architect, like no center pillars, which is being provided to centrally support it. Because all the pillars are on the side, and Vishalakshi Mandap has 7 different levels to it. And what you see on your left and right is the Panchkarma. So Panchkarma is nothing but the Nadi treatment, all holistic well-being. Panchkarma, this is called Shri Shri well-being. So it's a complete holistic treatment where Ayurvedic and other holistic practices are being done for healing body. So they teach you, they do Nadi Pariksha, they do holistic treatments, multiple varieties of massages and eye treatment, which is also called as Netra Jyoti. So these things happen over here. So the behind we have stays. There is stays for the people who can come in, stay, settle down, take their treatment, finish the treatment and go back. So right now we are entering into the old property of the ashram. So over here we have all of our mango trees, chiku trees and other things. So this is complete Art of Living property. And over here, whatever plants are being grown, they are 100% organic. Like complete organic, and Art of Living has taught over 2.2 million farmers across India to opt into organic farming, that is to get into the old routes of Indian culture. Sorry? No, 2.2 million farmers. Yeah, 2.2 million farmers. Yes, so as we proceed ahead, this is also included under the Kama culture. So these plants over here, we use like zero fertilizers and other things. So that's why if your windows are open, you cannot smell any kind of a chemical fertilizer smell. And ahead when we go, we have like multiple places where we do the organically, we bring out the manure, the compost and other things. To bring out those kind of compost and other things, we use like the gaushalas, cows' dungs, urinals and other things to make it, and kitchen waste. And also our kitchen waste, after whatever is peeled out skins and other things of the vegetables, fruits or whatever is being used, everything is brought back over. Plants which you see outside, which you buy outside, but the only difference is over here everything is grown organically and those plants grow up to their fullest potential. In this gaushala we have over 1700 plus cows, completely desi cows, 19 different indigenous breeds. So all these cows are completely from India. So what is the difference between a Indian cow and another cow which is coming from another country? What is the difference? Anybody knows what exactly is the difference which is between a desi cow and an a cow from another country? Anybody knows?
The hump and
Yeah. One is the hump. One is the hump. Give the most amount of A2 quality milk. They are grown for those purposes and they have the highest potential. But whereas cows from the other countries are used for consumption purposes. So when something is used for consumption purposes, so that becomes a quality matter of steak, not quality matter of food. So to get like the best quality of steak, sometimes steroids is being used. The cows are being genetically modified and other things. So that thing doesn't happen over here. But over here in India, when you see in milk factory, the cows sometimes are being not like this, if you can see. So have you ever seen a cow like this out there in the city, which is like this? No. Each cow which you're seeing in the city, once upon a time would have been inside a milk factory. So once that is done, they're just left out. But why? The thing is, they are genetically modified to give more amount of milk. That is, a cow's capacity is give up to 5 to 6 liters of milk, not more than that.
Okay, so as you all can see, they have multiple varieties of cows, different breeds they have, and see, they eat organic wastes, सारे organic waste like सब्जी का ये सब. Plus for the milk production, they do not use any machine. हाथ से निकालते हैं. एंड दे हैव देयर ओन कैफ़े जहाँ पे आपको नहीं मिलेगा टी कॉफ़ी, ओनली दूध का चीज़ लाइक मिल्क, दही, बटर मिल्क.
Have all the oldest of the oldest cows. We call them the big dogs over here.
लवली.
And they are the most oldest ones and they are given well of respect. And they're kept alone because each one gets a little aggressive here and there. And that is the thing, and I don't know why that black cow is outside.
Beautiful.
No, it's tied. Okay. No, I have been chased by a few cows over here, that's why. And this is the most oldest of the oldest. You can take a look why. Like, I need not even say why. It just looks. And we have so many other ones over there. And another one over here. These cows have crossed over 10 years now. And yeah, for every year we do puja also for them. Puja is being done. We worship them like God and other things. So,
It happens every day.
not every day,
अच्छा.
on special occasion.
Different breathing techniques. Few one breathing technique called Bhastrika Pranayam, where you can experience energy and she will lead you into meditation. So
Instantly boosts you, instantly energizes your body. Okay, whenever you feel sleepy, whenever you feel out of energy, you can do few rounds of Bhastrika and instantly give you energy to your body and mind. Okay, I'll teach you, I'll guide you through it. After the Bhastrika, we'll meditate for few minutes, then we can go for lunch. Is it okay?
There is the camera. So गौशाला में घूमने के बाद the same bus that took us to a meditation hall, वहाँ पे हम सब ने मेडिटेशन किया. वहाँ पे मुझे अलाउड नहीं था वीडियो बनाया बिकॉज वी ऑल वेर इन आवर जोन. हम अपने जोन पे थे. बहुत पीसफुल था, काम था. मेडिटेशन किया. आफ्टर फिनिशिंग मेडिटेशन मैं आ गई खाना खाने. एंड इट इज़ दाल चावल, बेसिक दाल चावल, बहुत सही है. एंड इट्स ब्लिस. सो या वर्थ spending time here in New Year. So thank you Art of Living. गौशाला से मैं एक चीज़ लेके आई हूँ. I'll show you all. This is pure badam milk. No added preservatives, no food coloring, no nothing is there. It's pure गाय का बादाम milk and it tastes heaven. बहुत सही स्वाद है इसका. गाइस दाल चावल ख़त्म करके मैं आ रही थी प्लेट धोने, बट आई सॉ वो लोग कुछ और खाना भी दे रहे हैं. सो आई थॉट आई शुड नॉट मिस इट. आई शो यू व्हाट इज़ द फूड. ये है खाना, आलू और कैप्सिकम की सब्जी, खीर, रोटी, गाजर एंड स्प्राउट्स का सैलड. फुल ऑर्गेनिक फूड. आई एम लविंग इट. ये पूरा एरिया 2-3 एकड़ का है. ऑब्वियसली डिफ़िकल्ट टू कवर इन वन डे. और ये वो जगह है जहाँ पे मैं मेडिटेशन कर रही थी थोड़ी देर पहले. एंड आई बॉट वन हनी. सो दिस इज़ द प्लेस जहाँ पे all the yoga practices and courses ये सब होता है. See this beauty. पूरे कैंपस में you will see different types of people. There are yogis, there are doctors, Vedic, Vaidya, and students, those who are practicing yoga, all the breathing kriyas. They are doing meditation, they are doing service here. And बहुत तरह के लोग हैं जो लोग एक हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल से कनेक्टेड हैं. मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा बिकॉज़ personally I love to do yoga and meditation. So yeah, this is a very beautiful place. Come explore. तो मेरा प्लान तो ये था कि मैं 5 बजे तक यहाँ रहूँ, but I'm tired. And the time is, I'll show you, 3:16. Almost cover कर लिया मैंने, मतलब हाफ भी नहीं बोल सकती. पता नहीं, बहुत बड़ा एरिया है, जितना हो सका कवर कर पाई. एंड लेट्स गो होम. हेलो. सो या 3:30 अराउंड मैं वहाँ से निकल गई और मैक्सिमम 5 आई रीच्ड होम. एंड या वन मोर थिंग आई जस्ट वांट टू ऐड. 2 days बिफोर मैं एक जगह पे गई थी, वो तमिलनाडु और कर्नाटका का बीच का वाटरफॉल है, होगेनकल वाटरफॉल. बहुत ही सुंदर जगह था. उसका मैं प्रॉपर व्लॉगिंग नहीं कर पाई, बट आई हैव फ्यू क्लिप्स. मेरे पास कुछ क्लिप्स है, तो मैं ये वीडियो के एंड में डाल देती हूँ. प्लीज़ डू नॉट मिस इट. वॉच. ओके, टिल देन टेक केयर ऑल ऑफ यू. See you in the next vlog and thank you for watching. रघु जी अपना फेस दिखाओ. हाँ हाय बोलो. वेरी गुड. सुप इधर दे. क्या लगा के घूम रहे थे? हो गया. थोड़ा तेज हो गया क्या? आप कैसे चलाते हैं? आगे तो बड़ा घुमा दी. क्या था ये? 1 मिनट भी नहीं हुआ. मुझे ये जगह चाहिए, इधर बैठने से होगा मेरा. अरे इसको ऐसा आगे भी तो ले जाओ. देख अभी